Wow, this is just beautiful. This unicorn 3D printed. I can't believe how beautiful this actually looks like. But is this up to the task? Let's find out in this video review. So I finally couldn't resist and got my Zippo idol. And yeah, I'm very satisfied. This is how it actually looks like inside the package. This one is authentic, and you can see right here it says genuine, and it has the special logo and interface over here. It's kind of like same thing as they have on Microsoft or other software as well. So you know this is the real deal. It's made in Pennsylvania, but this is the export market version of it. Opening this up, you can see it right inside here. Made in USA, right here, patented Zippo idol. This is just not a regular version of this. This is the Korean version and a unicorn edition. It's actually cost 70,000 yens or whatever the currency is over there. And it's made just for them. This is how it looks like right here. This one is the unicorn version of it. There's actually two different variations of this version. One that comes in all gold, and this one is the black edition. I think this one looks so much better than that one. When you open this up, you can lift this out. It will take you some power to lift it out, and you can put extra ammo in here, like extra alcohol. I mean, like a lighter fluid. You know what I mean. Let's turn this on. It's really hard to see it over here because of the lights. It does what it's supposed to do. You have the smoke coming out of it. You can smell it from here. What I do like about this one, it is, first of all, very impressive. So if you want to get this for yourself or as a gift, this is the best, probably the best looking one I ever seen. Now you're probably interested to see the other side as well. The other side is okay, it's not that impressive. But what I like about this, you can see right here, this is 3D engraving right on this. And it sticks out. You can not only feel it, you can even see it. And it looks just beautiful, like amazing looking. And this is special edition one. They are not going to make any more of those. So once they get sold out, tough work finding another one like this. Between those two, I decided the blackout looks just so much better than the gold one. Now, if you like the gold one, you can get the gold one. There's two different versions of this unicorn gold and blackout edition. In fact, why don't you just get both of them if you like them so much? But just think about it this way. I don't really smoke. I don't smoke at all, actually. But let's say this is the end of the world. Well, 2020 is supposed to be the end of the world anyways. And if you have to use one for an emergency, you might as well light up in style. If you're smoking a cigar or something, or you want to help somebody to smoke something, specifically if you want to light a fire for a survival situation, and you need something for EDC purposes, yet you want to impress your friends by something sophisticated and beautiful looking, this is it. This is exactly what you want to get your hands on. And it is reflective too. You can see right here it reflects in the sunlight. This is just gorgeous. Beautiful. There's only one thing I dislike about this. The price. It's just way too expensive. But for what you're getting here, the value, and this is not going to go down in price. Not only that, it is a collector's item. So if you're getting a collector's item, you should expect this to stay at its price point and actually go up in price once they stop making those, because it is a limited edition Korean market version, not even American. but it is made in USA. Out of all the Zippo idols out there, I think this is one of the most beautiful one I ever saw. I love this unicorn. It is just beautiful. I can't just stop staring at this. And I love the 3D texture over here, like really nice looking. So if you want to get yours while they still have one, there's going to be a link below where you can get the same exact one right on Amazon. It does what it's supposed to do. It will write your file and it will do this in style. What else can you ask from a Zippo idol? Well, if you did enjoy this review, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Lots of cool different reviews coming soon on this channel. And you never know what is the next thing is going to be on this channel as well. So hit the sub like and post a comment right down below. See you in the next video. And please let me know what you think of this. You're going to get one for yourself. Is this worth the money I paid for? Let me know in the comments below. Exotic, unique, and beautiful. The unicorn Zippo idol. A must-have for any collector.